Doge, still big run up. To the moon, keep going up. Going up. All eyes on Doge. Dogecoin, up, movement in Doge. Dogecoin, up. All eyes on Doge. Dogecoin, up, movement in Doge. Dogecoin, 42.60. All eyes on Doge. Dogecoin. Hey everybody, Kriss here. Welcome. How's everybody doing on this Tuesday? This is a good day despite crypto being down. Litecoin is up. If you hold Litecoin, yay. We'll talk about what's going on, why crypto's down, why Doge is down a little bit today. There's a lot worse. Solana. If you're a Solana holder, man, look out. Look out. We've been talking about Solana the past few days with all the crap going on with meme tokens, Libra. It's been pretty bloody. We'll touch on that if you guys want. I don't know. I mean, others have covered it. A lot of people have covered it. But if you want my take on it, sure, I'll be glad to give it. Dogecoin ETFs. What's going on with Doge ETFs? Rumors that it's going to be approved this week. And it's just like rumors. Who starts these rumors? Crypto Rover? Just making shit up? It's like, yeah, I'll do a rumor and I'll get lots of clicks on my X post. Sure. Someone else, same thing. And people are adding me on X saying, KrissPax, what's going on? And I'm like, yeah, there's no rumor. These guys are just making stuff up on a slow news day in order to get views. Because they get paid. The more views they get, the more money they make. So they don't care if they make crap up. So to get those Doge clicks, got to make something good, right? How about those Doge ETFs? Going to be approved this week or maybe next week. No, they're not. They're not. And what's happening with Fort Knox, the gold bullions that the United States, is the gold still there? Elon Musk thinks like, yeah, maybe that gold isn't there. And of course, the Bitcoin maxis are like, ooh, the gold's gone? Bitcoin strategic reserve. Yes, let's do a Bitcoin strategic reserve because we don't need gold. Guys, like I said, slow news day. People just making crap up. And we'll get to that as well. Well, looks like we're having a little green, though. KrissPax starts alive and we get a green candle. That is good. That is good. Let me get down here in the corner. And look, this white line, we've been continuing for weeks now, 25.5 cents. And we were holding it as support, but yeah, midnight last night, support broke, came back up, becomes resistance. It's the same freaking line. The same line that we've had going all the way back to February 3rd. So 2 weeks. We had the big triangle, broke out of the triangle, and then came all the way back. So I got rid of the triangle. Triangle, yeah, it was good for a little while. But this line is so strong, 25.5. Resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance, support. And support breaks. And now resistance again. So this is the so-called Rocky line right now. But it's the KrissPax line, 25.5 cents. What's going on with Bitcoin? Bitcoin had a big dip this morning. Still only down 1% for the day. Doge is down 3%. But Solana, Solana is falling off the table, guys. I told you guys I didn't like Solana. I made my money on Solana last year. It was about a year and a half ago. I took my profit, booked it, but Solana, ugh. And I don't know how this whole thing is going to shake out with pump.fun and these memes, the meme tokens, but all this is coming out about the snipers and the insiders and the devs, and they're all knowing this and that, and maybe even the people running the exchange, running the swap, the DeFi swap, like Jupiter, Are they in on it too? Was the whole Trump token launch just a big insider deal? Melania, big insider deal? And then Libra, the same thing. All these big hyped up tokens they launch, and the insiders already know what to do. The snipers come in, they buy millions. Price drives up because retail starts buying, like Dave Portnoy buying $5 million in Libra. And then the insiders sell and they dump and they make millions upon millions of dollars. You'd think the retail traders would figure out, you know, maybe this isn't such a good idea. Maybe I should just not do this anymore and go after a real coin, not a stupid token, like a Dogecoin, for instance. Go for a Dogecoin. Yes, a Dogecoin. So yeah, Solana's gone from $205 all the way down to $160. All the way to $160. And that is in the span of, what, 4 days? Down 20% in 4 days. Ouch. So that's what's going on. Bitcoin drops below 95K, Solana, XRP, and Dogecoin falling. Bitcoin has fallen to its lowest price in weeks. Solana continues to bleed amid the Libra controversy. Do you know why Dogecoin went down today? Blame Bitcoin. So not only do you have all the insiders, the snipers, the devs on all these meme tokens, now you've got the leverage traders. You got the leverage traders. Look at this. This is the Bitcoin heat map. And when Bitcoin dipped below 95K, it took out hundreds of millions of dollars of long leverage trades. Hundreds of millions. There must be $1 billion here that got liquidated. Market makers doing their thing, taking out the leverage. Yeah, we got the big shorts up here still, hundreds of millions of dollars, but they want to get the longs because there's weakness in the market. Everyone all worried, is this Solana pump.fun meme token thing? Is this going to be a black swan event and we're going to have this huge crash? That's what the bears are thinking. The bears are like, yeah, I told you, right? I told you, KrissPax. Dogecoin's going down to 10 cents. I told you. Not so fast, guys. Not so fast. Dogecoin, Cardano, among 4 iconic altcoins. Trader sees pretty close to an end of this chop. We are in a choppy market. Yes, thus the title today, the Dogecoin Chop. Altcoins remain weak as Bitcoin trades between, we'll just say mid-90s right now. A breakout could be near. There's a trader who's saying similarities to 2017, suggesting the biggest altcoin moves will come later on this year. So we have that. Will XRP, Solana, Litecoin, Doge, and Cardano ETFs leave investors out in the cold? What's this? We're just getting all hyped up for the ETFs. Crypto Rover says, hey, maybe by the end of this week, Dogecoin ETF, right? By the end of this week? No. They haven't even done the official thing that starts the clock. The SEC acknowledged the application, but there's like one more step that it hasn't even done yet. The clock isn't, the 240 days, it hasn't even started yet. And these guys are saying the Dogecoin ETF is going to be like approved this week. It's ridiculous. Whenever you see someone on X who posts something that says rumor, like, let's say, this one, Crypto Beast. Rumor. Doge ETF could be approved as early as next week, allowing the whole world to buy Dogecoin. Nope. And thank you, F1, for adding me. It's like, nope. Crypto Rover. Rumor. Doge ETF to be approved this week. This would skyrocket the price to $1 instantly. Massive if true. There's no sources. There's no one quoted. There's no link to anything. Anybody can, I can just type in a post right now. What do you guys want me to do as a rumor? Guys, what do you want me to do? I'll make a rumor right now. Put something in the chat. Just make something up that I can post. Rumor. Because I'm going to post it. I'm really going to do it. In fact, you know what I should do? Before I do that, I should actually just copy. I should just copy this, right? All right. What's my rumor going to be? Doge now being sold on X? Rumor. Doge guaranteed to $5. OnlyFans to start accepting Dogecoin. Average trade look over. Oh, wait. Yeah, right. Rumor, Vision Pulse sold. He doesn't have any. Spread rumors like that. Disappointment across the board becomes massive. Yeah. Elon Musk transgender. Rumor. Doge is, let me get this right. Doge is going to be able to be bought and sold directly on X. Massive if true. And then we'll just do some rolling on the floor. Hashtag Dogecoin. All right. Yeah, just making something up. All right, we'll do that. Oh. Developing now. The hairy ETF just kind of, it's good. All right, big green candle now. We're going to see this huge pump. So what is this about on the ETFs? Most of the crypto assets on tap to get spot ETFs are now in a bubble due to the Trump bump. So the writer of this article thinks that most cryptos were overbought in November. And now any additional pump that they're getting because of these ETFs coming makes it even more of a bubble. Institutions are likely to stay away, at least at the outset. So retail buyers could be left holding the bag. Crypto markets have long been defined by alt seasons. Tokens outside of the industry giants like Bitcoin and ETH outperform the market as investors roll their gains into these higher beta assets. Prior alt seasons occurred during the DeFi summer, 2020, COVID rally 2021, and even the memes last year like Pepe and Whiff and Bonk, and even Doge. Since the re-election of Trump, there's been another alt season, this time in the form of tokens being packaged into spot ETFs. So we're expecting big things coming. Each ETF or each of the tokens has seen large gains since the election. And we're just waiting for these to be approved. Litecoin, Solana, XRP, Doge, maybe HBAR, maybe Polkadot, maybe others, we'll see. But alt seasons don't last forever. And we may not even have an alt season going forward. That's what the bears think. The bears think that we already had our peak and it's just going to go down from here. Institutional investors are unlikely to come along for the ride. Hard to believe, right? On those ETFs come out, people are going to buy Doge. People are going to buy Doge. But it's kind of interesting that there's this sort of a narrative out there that Bitcoin ETFs are great, ETH okay, but everything else is just kind of lag. Could be, we'll see. So that's the other side right now. Well, tip my hat to the bears. There it is. There's the other side. Kriss isn't always sunshine and rainbows. I cover it all. But I don't think that's going to happen with Doge. Doge ETF is going to launch and people are going to buy it, not just retail. And then we got this. Elon Musk imagines Fort Knox is empty. Others pitch strategic Bitcoin reserve. And this is actually a good article by Protos because there's all this talk about, like Zero Hedge is saying that, it's been 50 years or something since the last time somebody went to Fort Knox to make sure all the gold was there. And it's like, no, Protos actually looked into it and found a bunch of photos of Treasury Secretary Mnuchin, Mitch McConnell there at Fort Knox, looking at all the bars of gold during Donald Trump's last term, just like 6 years ago. And they say it actually, the Treasury Office of Inspector General conducts audits of the United States Mint custodial gold schedules on an annual basis. So all this talk that people have, it's just made up again, right? It's all just made up. All the gold is gone out of Fort Knox. No, they just six years ago, Treasury Secretary was there, just making stuff up. I don't know, RR. What is Elon checking then? I think he just saw a bunch of X posts, right? Because he lives on X. And instead of actually checking the facts, he should ask Grok, actually. Just ask Grok. Anyway, but that's what I do. I keep things real here. Try to uncover the truth as much as I can. Yeah, let's see what kind of audit it was. Hey, the Doge team is going to look into it. So good for them. Let's look into it and let's see what the real deal is. Hey, we got some green candles here based on our rumor. That's right, based on our rumor. How are we doing on our rumor? Doge is going to be able to bought and sold directly on X. Massive if true. Stop it, Monica. This will be massive if true. It was mentioned to be integrated. Kriss is always right. Massive if true. Oh, there you go. Will be accepted on OnlyFans. Where did you hear this from? See, some of these guys just aren't here on the live stream. Bitcoin Federal Reserve tomorrow. Rumor. Here from the live, yes. Yep. Yep. That is awesome. Hey, just making stuff up. Of course, I did the emoji so people would get it, right? Hey, we're going to have a giveaway today. We're going to give away some Doge. Thank you to our friend Raiden again. Volunteered some Doge. We're going to give away more Doge because I feel good. I feel good. Rumor, KrissPax dumping. No, I'm not dumping. Who said that? Somebody's commenting. No, no, no. Hey, Harry, did you get your Doge? Did you get your Doge? We're all going to make it. Did I mean to send you 100K? Oops. Oops. Uh-oh. I hit the wrong button. No, KrissPax coin. No. Okay, I'm finishing up Greg's Doge that he donated, plus one more from Raiden. So there's going to be 33 Doge giveaways. 2 from Greg, 1 from Raiden. Just to finish that up. Cheers, Harry. No problem. Okay, here's what we're going to do today. I'm out of trivia questions. I thought of like doing again, but then you know what? I'm going to do the randomizer. So I'm going to do the randomizer. We're going to have 3 giveaways. If you win one, that doesn't mean you're not eligible for the next 2, and the randomizer will automatically cut you off if you win. Okay. All right. StreamYard has a giveaway tool. They have a giveaway tool. And it's like choosing a live stream. Why isn't this working? Hold on. That's not the right one. I got to do it in the same window. Here we go. All right. Now, in order to be eligible, you have to type the word Dogecoin in the chat. You have to type in the word Dogecoin. On my channel, you don't get anything without doing something. So you got to do something to get something. Dogecoin. If you want to be eligible to win the giveaway, you have to put Dogecoin in the chat. We got a lot of Dogecoins. Awesome. More. Dogecoin. Yes. Love it. Filling up the chat. We should have as many likes as well. So after you type in the word Dogecoin, hit the like button. Got to have 100 likes. We got 250 viewers. We're doing a Dogecoin giveaway, and we only have like 50 likes. That is weak. More likes too. Let's get the like count up because we're doing a giveaway. We're doing 3 giveaways, 33 Dogecoin each. So we're getting there on the likes. Now, in order to get Dogecoin from me, here's what you've got to do. You've got to send me an email to chriscrypto@gmail.com, and you have to send me your Doge wallet address. Doge wallet beginning with the letter D. If you've got a custom wallet, I'm not going to send Doge there. I want a Doge wallet address that begins with the letter D because those are the official Dogecoin wallets. You have to send that to me in an email and also include your YouTube handle so I can be sure that I'm giving it to the right person. Giving it to the right person. So that's what we got going today. It's going to be the randomizer that is going to do it. Has everybody got their Doge coins in the chat? If you have multiple Doge coins, that doesn't give you any better odds because StreamYard has figured out you can't game the system by typing in Dogecoin 10 times. You still only get one entry. That's the way it works. All right. So we're ready for the first giveaway, guys and gals. Hashtag Dogecoin. Are we ready? Giveaway number 1. Everybody got their Dogecoins in? All right, ready? Here we go. Winner number 1 is... Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Wait. Kriss messed up. We have 29 Dogecoins. There's got to be more than 29 Dogecoins. Somebody's already sending me their wallet address. We haven't even done a giveaway yet, guys. Do not send me your Dogecoin wallet. I only send Doge to the winner. It looks like it needs to be a capital D Dogecoin. If you put in a lowercase d, I think it doesn't recognize it. So capital D Dogecoin. So we'll let it go another minute so everybody gets a capital D Dogecoin. There we go. Entries are piling up now. 51 entries. 56 entries. Here we go. No hashtag, just Dogecoin. Here we go. No hashtag, Charlotte. Just regular Dogecoin. If you want a chance, just Dogecoin, one word, capital D, like it shows on the screen. Okay. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Draw. Here we go. And the winner is Raven, so close. Aesthetic Cars. Aesthetic Cars is the winner. Hey, that worked pretty well. I like that. Congrats, Aesthetic Cars. You're winner number 1. We're going to draw again. Let's go. Send me an email, Aesthetic Cars, with your Doge wallet address. And make sure that you say you're you, Aesthetic Cars. And I can check and make sure it's really you. Giveaway number 2. And the winner is Brian Carew. Brian Carew, winner number 2. Brian, right. Send me an aesthetic car. Send me your Dogecoin wallet to KrissCrypto@gmail.com. Brian. Okay, one more. Each of these are going to win 33 Dogecoin. Here we go. One more entry. One more draw already. Here we go. This works pretty good. Totally random. Will Lux. Will Lux is the winner. Winner number 3. 33 Dogecoin to Will Lux. There we go. There we go. So let me just type this in. Give away 7 aesthetic cars. Ryan, Yahoo, and Will Lux. Congratulations to the 3 of you. Thank you for taking part in the KrissPax DCA giveaway. Now, to members, we are going to have a members only giveaway happening in March. That is still coming. And everybody gets Doge at that one if you're a member of the channel. This Dogecoin that's right here, all of this Dogecoin, 75,000 Dogecoin right here that we bought in 2023, I'm giving away next month. So that's coming. We'll have a members only live stream on a Sunday. Yep, on a Sunday. We're going to do that. No, with 33 Dogecoin, Doge doesn't have to go to 1 million if you have 33 of them. So on Robinhood aesthetic, you just go into Doge and then you find, I think it's called receive, and it will give you a wallet address to receive from in Robinhood. Okay, I think that's right. I think it says receive. I think it says receive. Just check real quick. Doge. Yeah. Right under your position, there's a send and a receive. You hit the receive button and it will give you a wallet address. Copy that address and then paste it into an email. Okay? Rumor, today's winners get 33 million Dogecoin. Crazy if true. Will, I gotcha. I gotcha. Meanwhile, we still have green candles on Doge. They like my rumor. They like the rumor. No, Patrick, you can use a Robinhood wallet. Robinhood will give you a wallet to receive Doge. So that's fine. I'm using my MyDoge wallet to send them. And I think the MyDoge wallet is an excellent way to hold some Dogecoin, particularly if you're going to be sending and receiving Dogecoin. Be a member. How do I join the channel? You become a member. Yes. You go to my KrissPax YouTube front page on my channel. You'll see this right underneath my picture. There's a thing called Our Members. And then you come all the way over to the right and you hit the join button right there. And you join the channel. That's how you become a member. Then you get a check mark next to your name. Your name is green in the chat. And you get to use all these fun emojis. Custom Doge-related emojis. We have a lot of fun with those. Got to know how to do basic crypto tasks. And that's the one thing, exactly, Will. That's the one thing that we do on this channel is we educate. And there's nothing better than educating about Dogecoin than actually doing stuff, right? Sending and receiving Dogecoin is a big deal. So, all right, Brian, cool. Awesome. But the MyDoge wallet, it's an easy app on your phone. You get your own keys, you get your seed phrase. So the Dogecoin that goes into your MyDoge wallet is yours. You own it. It's not like Robinhood where you don't own those coins. Robinhood owns the coins on your behalf. But it was very nice of them to be able to allow you to send and receive Dogecoin. They didn't have to do that. And there are other places that don't do that. But Vlad knew that particularly the Dogecoin community was very upset that he had his engineers work on creating these so-called wallets. Again, that's not your wallet. It's a temporary wallet that's assigned to you, is what that is. But you are able to receive Dogecoin into your Robinhood account, and you can send Dogecoin out of your Robinhood account if you want to. For instance, I sent Dogecoin from Robinhood to my ledger. And by sending it to my ledger, I was able to put it there for safekeeping for a long time. So to get a Doge wallet on MyDoge, so with your phone, you want to go to, the easiest way is just to go to mydoge.com. Just in Safari, if you're on an iPhone or whatever on an Android, you go to mydoge.com, and then you can download it from the Chrome Web Store app, the Apple App Store, or Google Play. And you download the app. And it's just Doge. You can't hold Bitcoin in a MyDoge wallet. You can't hold the Trump token in a MyDoge wallet. It's only Doge. Fun community. A lot of people post memes. But the biggest thing is send, receive, and to buy, to use Dogecoin to actually buy things. What? Yeah. So when I go to AMC and I use my AMC app to buy movie tickets, I choose to pay in crypto, and then I select Dogecoin, and it takes the Doge from the MyDoge wallet to AMC. Is how that works. And it happens fast. Transactions are fast. Unlike Bitcoin, where you're just sitting there waiting and waiting and waiting. I don't know why anybody ever uses Bitcoin to buy things. But yeah, the MyDoge wallet is a great little wallet, very handy. And I guess now you can hold NFTs on it. And I don't know what they're going to do next, but they keep working on it. It's a great little wallet. Yep. 1 minute max for settling on the Dogecoin blockchain, according to the trivia. Yes, 1 minute max. So that was fun. I love doing giveaways. And thank you for everybody who participated. And thanks again to Greg and Raiden for your contributions. Generosity is awesome. So what else is going on? Bitcoin 95,000. So it did recover back up to at least 95. Probably took out some shorts in doing that, which is good. The MyDoge runs on either an Android or iPhone. So whichever you use, Corey. If you use an iPhone, just go to the Apple App Store and search MyDoge. Solana to $20. Solana is at 168. It's also recovering a little bit. It came all the way down to 160.9. I haven't sent anything yet, Will. I'm busy. I'm a little busy right now. I will send the Doge after the live stream. I wish it was automatic. Maybe if I had like an AI, right? And I could just tell the AI, send Will Lux 33 Dogecoin. And then it just does it, right? That'd be cool. We're not there yet. We're not quite there yet. I wonder if Siri could do that. Hey, Siri. Please send 33 Dogecoin to Will Lux.
You'll need to unlock your iPhone first.
Oh, I need to unlock my iPhone first.
Something went wrong. Please try again.
Please send 33 Dogecoin to Will Lux.
Which app?
MyDoge.
Sorry, MyDoge hasn't added support for that with Siri.
Ah, so there you go. Siri just HUD me. Yes. Huh? Huh? I put the British voice on just for the fun of it. But she's not very nice. She's a Karen. Yes, it's a British Karen. Huh? Hey Siri. Is Dogecoin the best cryptocurrency?
From a utility and risk-reward perspective, both Bitcoin...
No, you can't say that. I saw what it was going to say. I didn't let Siri finish that. You've got an Indian Siri, Louis? Anthony, hey, buddy, how's it going? Good to see you. Welcome. Good to be worthless. All right. You didn't even enter. You didn't even enter. Siri, stop. Yes. Siri was not giving me the answer I wanted. You didn't give me the right answer. We're just going to have to go on a big run, Harry. A big run up to the moon, you know. We do that, and then the bears will go into hibernation. Exactly. The trading volume is still pretty low. Let's go to Doge. It's still pretty low. It had a little bit here while it was going down, but again, that's the market makers just suppressing. But it's still pretty low. This is a 4-hour chart. So again, you know, the big trading volume was, of course, on February 2nd and 3rd with the big drop, big volume. Since then, not much. Not much. The bears will FOMO in at the all-time high. That's why they're bears. They get on the game way too late and they miss out. If they had just bought Doge when I did in the summer of 2023, 6-cent Dogecoin, you'd be up to 4x still right now, and you wouldn't be a bear. Wow, unknown. So what do you guys think? Will Dogecoin get back to 34 cents and when? He wants to know when. The magic 8 ball only answers yes or no questions. It can't say when. And I don't have a crystal ball today, unknown. I mean, dude, you're asking when will Dogecoin get to 34 cents? Come on. The outlook is good. Exactly. When it gets there. I know, Ryan. It'll go on a pump, and then your purchase goes through, and then it drops after. March 25th. There you go. Drew Depresso has answered your question, Unknown J. As soon as Kriss gives me 10,000 Doge. Rumor. Doge to 34 on 3-4. Dogecoin ETF incoming. I just had to rant a little today about Rover and that other guy. It's just like rumor. Pavlos, I'm trying. I'm really trying. And people keep giving me crap every time I show a bullish outlook. And I'm just like, I'm trying, dude. The like button was coded to Doge green candles. Exactly. For those just joining, we did look at Bitcoin dropping below 95K, Solana, XRP, Dogecoin. We covered those, particularly Solana continues to bleed amid the Libra controversy. So we talked a little bit about that. And then we went into like, it's chop. It's chop season, right? Chop. And then a little bit about the ETFs. Are the ETFs really going to be good for these alts? I mean, there's a lot of money going into Bitcoin, not so much into ETH. But what are these alts going to do? I mean, is there going to be a lot of institutional buying of a Litecoin ETF? Or how about a Dogecoin ETF? I kind of think there's going to be more for a Dogecoin. Just, it's like, come on, it's Dogecoin. I know, Ryan. Big if true. Big if true. Exactly. I don't know where you heard that rumor. Where did you hear that rumor? Oh, it must have been from me. Massive if true. Massive. It's not just true, it's massive, Ryan. Mars, you're in the house. Speaking of houses, guess what I did today? Closed on the house. Big day. It was like way too easy. It was almost kind of like a letdown, It was too easy because there was no bank. So there was none of all that bank crap. It was just a big check, handed over, signed some papers, done. That was it. Then I had to wait for it to be recorded. Took about an hour and a half. Got the email. Congratulations from my real estate attorney. And then I went over to the realtor's office and picked up the keys. I guess I got a house. Thanks to crypto. No. It'll be Thursday, Ryan. The Johnny Walker will be Thursday in the new house. As long as I get the Verizon Fios set up. So carry Miss Pax over the threshold. No, we'll go in through the garage. We'll go in through the garage. It couldn't have been done without crypto. Again, I'll tell the story someday about how it all really came about, because there was a goal, and that was to buy a house cash, no bank, and it was investing heavy into crypto. So it was right after the FTX crash at the end of 2022, and I went all in. So yeah. No bridge loan. Nope. No bridge loan. I transferred the money off the crypto exchanges directly to my bank savings account. And then I just got a cashier's check for that amount that I needed to close. Took the cashier's check to the closing attorney's office, signed some papers, and that was it. Done. No bridge loan. I needed the bank to get the cashier's check. That I needed. I needed the bank to do that. I had to have that as a way to get the money off of the crypto exchange. Had to go to the bank. There was no other way to do it. But no bank loan. So I didn't have to deal with all of that stuff the bank does. All that extra money, you got to get an assessment of the house. I don't need an assessment. I know what it's worth. So thank you. Thank you all. If I could have withdrawn cash like into like a suitcase, right? And taken the cash over, that'd been awesome, right? Yep, here you go, cash. It's like, yep. No, too soon to pay with crypto. Not there yet. I know there's a few house sales that have actually happened with crypto, but it's very rare. So, no, the house was a total surprise. I was not planning on buying a house until spring or summer. And this house came up and we were like, we should go look at this one. This one looks pretty good. And it's rare that Miss KrissPax and I actually agree on something like this. We have different tastes, but we were like, yeah, this is it. And this is it. So yeah, exactly. Set for retirement. Because no mortgage. No mortgage. That's the best thing. I got to pay a property tax. I got to pay for the house insurance. But no mortgage, no bank, no nothing. So no more giveaways today. We'll see how I feel on Thursday. There will be no live stream on Wednesday. I'm moving. And I don't have internet connection at the new house yet. That's supposed to happen Thursday morning. Hopefully it goes well. I don't have play money. Do you know why? I got to pay capital gains tax next year on all the crypto profits. So yeah, I got to make sure that what I have invested now doesn't go to zero. I mean, if the bears are right and Doge is going to zero, I'm going to be hurting come tax season next year. I have no internet at the new house. Not yet. They're coming Thursday morning. Yes, KB, it's a great goal. It was an absolute great goal. Miss KrissPax didn't believe me 2 years ago when I said this is what we're going to do. She was like, no, you're going to get like 5%, maybe 10%. That's interest, 10%. And instead, it ended up like 400. and it wasn't even at the top. I did not sell the top. I remember I took that first slice at Doge at 42 cents, and then the rest of it at 30. I would have had a lot more if I'd sold it all at 42, but. And then out of all my other altcoins that I had, where Jasmy was my biggest gainer at about 900% gains on my Jasmy. And then a few of them were in the red. Because I sold when that tariff thing came out, February 1st. All those Trump tariffs. And it was like, oh, I got to get out. I got to sell. Because I don't know where this tariff thing is going. And obviously, most prices are lower now than they were 2 weeks ago. So it was good that I sold when I did for what I needed for the house. I still have 400,000 Dogecoin. I still have Bitcoin. Still have a little ETH, a little Litecoin. I've got the Trump token and the Peak tokens. Peak's not looking so great. And Kronos. That's it. So I will start DCAing and buying again in a couple weeks. So I'm not in the new house yet, Compo. This is still the old setup. Everything is kind of echoing because I took everything off the walls here. Because I'm moving tomorrow. But I had to do this live stream with you guys in order to have that giveaway, that last giveaway before the move. But we'll see on Thursday how I'm feeling in the new house. I don't know what's going on with the tariffs, RR. I think the tariffs are on. I still hold all my peak. I've got one Bitcoin. It's about 1.02 Bitcoin. After this live, the computer gets packed up. Yes. Hey, I just like hanging out with you guys. Oh, Anthony. Let's call Anthony the bear. Do not get influenced with all these Doge stuff. The more you buy, the more you will get stuck. Stucked. That's a good word. Stucked. Capital preservation is of utmost importance in this kind of market. I know, but Anthony, if you had bought Dogecoin when I bought Dogecoin at 6 cents, you would be up 400%. See, the thing is, you didn't buy Dogecoin at the bottom of the bear market. That's your problem. If you'd been here 2 years ago, you would not have these bearish thoughts. Stucked. Get stucked, yeah. Thank you, Michael. Appreciate it. Get stucked. I like that. I know. What are you guys going to do tomorrow? Don't forget the kitty. Oh, yeah. Pax Cat will be with us. Rumor, buy gold now. Fort Knox is found to be empty. Rumor. Yeah, what are you guys going to do tomorrow? Going to have to watch Banter or VP. Just going to wait to come back, take a day, go touch some grass. It's all in when you buy. It really is. Go watch some cat videos. There you go. Play some badminton. Talking about the market today, not 2 years ago. Anthony, the point was, if you were buying 2 years ago at the bottom of the bear market, you wouldn't be a bear today. You wouldn't be a bear today. And today we're chopping. We're chopping today, dude. We're not going to zero. We are all stuck. Exactly, Ray. Thanks for the super chat. We are all stuck. Yeah, maybe Anthony should do a live stream. Yeah. Cut grass with 2 foot of snow on the ground. It's all ice here. Yep, ice skating. Slip sliding away. Slip sliding away. You know what's scarier than Doge dropping? Calling Siri a Karen. She'll remember that. Hey, Siri,
Mm-hmm.
are you a Karen?
Sorry, I don't understand.
Yeah, she doesn't know anything.
Okay.
Oh, God. VP's going to start crying. Wyoming is choosing a platform to launch their stablecoin. Avalanche, huh? Tomorrow we can reflect on what we learned so far. Bring on the new and approved PAX channel. Thank you, Greg. Appreciate it. Yeah, let's hope Doge behaves tomorrow. Exactly. The word of the day, rumor. Exactly, Joshua. Unbelievable. You're going to get that 19 cents, Doge John? I bought at what I thought was low. It dropped even more. But if Dogecoin hits $1, it'll all be all right. What should the investor do today? I can only tell you what I'm doing, Anthony. I can't tell you what to do. I'm not a financial advisor. You can just watch the grass grow. That's probably a good idea. I will be buying on the dips. I think Dogecoin is going to go higher. But hey, that's just me. No, I'm not expecting to make 400%. But if I do, awesome. We don't know what Doge is going to do. I don't think 24 cents is the end of Doge, this bull market. But that's just me. You can start your own YouTube channel and you can talk about how you think Doge is done and it's going to zero. And you'll see how many followers you get. Is the bull run not going to happen? SPL, you got to be ready for anything. But we're still early in 2025. There's huge things coming for Dogecoin and crypto, I believe, this year. Things are a little rough at the moment. We thought they would be under the Trump presidency. There would be this choppiness, and it's happening. Tony Montana. Lost all my money on this joke of a coin. Tony, dude, you've been around for a while, I know. But dude, what are you doing? What are you doing? Yes. Well, it's an office because I have got to do double duty with my office because I work hybrid. Like half the week I'm at home. Ryan, your sale went through? All right, guys, be ready. Ryan just bought 4,000 more Doge. That means the price is now going to go down and it's going to dip because he never hits the dip. Exactly. Price is about to drop. See? That is how it works. I figured out Ryan's strategy. Buy high, sell low. Silver has an idea, recovery by mid-April, pump late August. I'm thinking a little later, like October timeframe, but yeah. Art Scholar is going to do a live stream on prehistoric art. You will get lots of viewers. There'll be a very lively chat. Got to do a giveaway. Got to do a giveaway. I know. What's Tim up to? That's coming Friday still. He said 2 weeks, and 2 weeks is Friday. Have the cat make crypto predictions. Getting stuck in the current year. It's a choppy stuck position. Kristen said 24 Doge and bought more. Not financial advice. You can give financial advice. I can't. I'm not allowed. The ride isn't over. It's just begging. I know, right? Hey, Derek, how are you? I think the economy was bad to begin with. Now that Doge is revealing the truth, the current markets are reflecting a more accurate chart. We get through this. And, Trump doesn't want the markets to go down. He wants the markets to go up. Crypto doesn't always follow the stock market, but generally it does. So the stock market will turn around. It was a little red today, but it will turn around once all of the fears, right? Oh, cutting all the staff. How's the government going to work? The government will be fine. It'll be fine. The Democrats just screaming and yelling about this, that, the other. It'll be fun. The news is Friday, Adam. Friday we're waiting for. There will be a bull run. Only question is when. And the likelihood of Doge dropping to zero is almost non-existent. Exactly. I mean, in the bottom of the bottom, right, in the summer of 2022, Dogecoin dipped to 4.95, if I remember, 4.95 cents. That was the bottom. 4.95. Tony Matana, say hello to my little friend. Oh, man. What am I going to buy? Dogecoin and Bitcoin. I'm keeping it simple. I'm not going to have 25 coins. I'm not going to have 25 coins. I'm keeping it to Dogecoin and Bitcoin. That's it. Not buying any more peak. I'm in peak enough. I'm in peak enough. I'll just let that ride. I will be buying Dogecoin and Bitcoin. Still accumulation, yes. Zoom out and you will see. We're at the same place right now that we were on February 12th. Same place we were on February 9th. Same place we were on February 8th. Same place we were on February 7th. Same place we were on February 6th. Same place we were on February 3rd. Same place we were on February 2nd. You get the picture? 2 weeks. Bouncy, 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 bouncy. That's the chop. It's the chop. For 2 weeks, we're at the same place. Yeah, there's been some ups. There's been a few downs, a little lower. But generally, it's chop. Since the big tariff dump that happened at the beginning of the month. That's what it is. Chop, chop, chop. Yes. The random thing that StreamYard has built in worked very well. I just have to be clear when I begin that you have to spell, like if we use Dogecoin again, that it's got to be a capital D or a small d, one or the other. Because when I typed in Dogecoin with a capital D, it didn't recognize those who had typed in Dogecoin using a small d. So we have to be clear about that going forward. But yeah, it worked well. And I didn't have to put everybody's names in. Even better. Although I like the big wheel. When we did the big wheel, that was cool. When Derek won that souvenir coin. But God, that was hard to put in. This was so much easier. Stephen, you're a bull for Doge. Frustrating though. I know. Tony don't sell on red candles. Right. We should involve Pax Cat and Snoopy in the giveaways. What do you think, Snoops? Oh, God. October, exactly. This year it will be. The market doesn't know. Shh. Right. Shh. Don't tell them. What's the Tim news? Tim Stebbing, Dogecoin Foundation. Got some big news coming. Oh, John, we all have those stories, though. We all have those stories. Buying something low and then giving up on it or having to sell for one reason or another. And then it takes off. And then it takes off. It's Friday then. Yeah. I guess. Coinbase is live. What is Coinbase saying? Binance. There's these rumors out there that somebody's going to come in and buy Binance. If all of the stolen paintings from the Isabella Stewart Gardner Museum would be returned, if I donated all of my Doge, I would do that. Absolutely. Absolutely. That was a crime. Absolute crime. I bought 500 Doge at lunch today. Same here. But you put Doge first, Geji. Put Doge and Bitcoin. Doge number one. The likelihood of a 10x right now isn't great, John. A 10x would be if you had bought at the bottom of the bear market. Those are the 10x's you look for. But now we're in the bull, choppy right now, but 4 times higher than we were a year and a half ago. So this is hard accumulation. Yep, KB, Doge, and Bitcoin. Knox stars. We told you who owns those big Doge wallets. It's Robinhood, Binance, and other exchanges hold most of those. Okay? They're not going to dump. For all those people who bought Dogecoin on Robinhood, that 32, I guess it's a 28 billion Doge on the main wallet, 28 billion Dogecoin. That's your Dogecoin that's sitting in Robinhood's wallet. They're not going to dump. Just stop with that crap. Really, stop with the crap. God. You're clueless, dude. And you're a bear too, but you're clueless. Stop that FUD. No, it's just Yeely. It's just, I had 25, 26 different cryptos. Part of it was just trying to keep track of it all. It was just way too much. And then part of it is, going forward, I just want to keep it simple. Keep with the top. Don't go chasing, like maybe this low cap coin will rocket or that low cap coin will rocket. I'm just going to keep it simple. And you could do Doge and Pepe if you wanted, like John is. Eventually, Trump will do stuff that the market likes. Yes. He's got to get through all the crap first, though. That he does. Litecoin, Doge, Pepe, Bells. You've got Bells, Space Cowboy? Did you really buy Bells? Wow. The tax cuts will be awesome, RR. If he does tax cuts, stock markets will like that. Kriss will like that if the tax cuts also include no capital gains on crypto taxes. Kriss will really like that, but it's got to be this year. It's got to be this year, not next year. Just this year. You recently switched to just Litecoin and Doge. I know all those liquidations. We showed that earlier, Nikos, on the heat map here. Hundreds of millions of dollars in Bitcoin just gone on that drop. And that was from about 95 all the way down to 93.4. Hundreds of millions of dollars. So for the bears who say, Dogecoin's dropping, it's like, dude, just pay attention to what's going on. I mean, look at Cardano. Cardano's down 7.5%. Look at that big drop, Cardano, this morning. Now that's a drop. Dogecoin didn't do that. Cardano did that. I'll make a video of a setup in the summer. Once you get the Dogecoin, then you get the women. Women love dogs. Yeah, we get it, Anthony. Hey, selling Doge at 33 cents was good. That was a good play. So now you wait for the bear market and you buy back in. We don't know how low Doge is going to go in the bear market, 2026, 2027, something like that. But I still want to make a little this year, and I think I can. I'm not going to make, 5x or 6x, most likely. We don't know. But I can make more buying Dogecoin on the dips over the next couple months than I would if I just stuck it in a bank, in a savings account. But toward the end of 2025, I won't be buying any more Dogecoin. In 2026, I won't be buying any more Dogecoin. I don't know what's going to happen, but AV bought some Doge on today's dip. Buying the dips. Of course, I would save the paintings. TB. Crypto is a sea of red. Pretty much. Litecoin is the only one that's really up in my watch list. Yeah, good for Litecoin. Trump is going to cut taxes. Knox stars goes to other people's streams too, being a bear. Sure. Tough way to live your life, isn't it? I mean, really, isn't that a tough way to live your life? Yeah, Anthony, why don't you go over to Peter Schiff's live streams then? He's the gold guy. Go watch him. You looked at the latest generation of miners. Electricity is too expensive. It is here in Boston too. You're mining, Space Cowboy? Focusing on Litecoin and Doge now? I tell you, Dogecoin is going to be more profitable to mine in the future than Bitcoin. It's coming. You checking in, CDM? How are you? Hey, Sunshine, welcome. We're having fun. We had a big giveaway. That was a lot of fun. No spicy news today. A lot of rumors. Rumor is the word of the day. Rumor. Rumor alert. Rumor alert. Doge is down 3.6%. Cardano is down 7.9 right now. I don't know. Our Trump keeps talking about tariffs making it up for tax. I don't think Trump can't determine himself what happens with taxes. It's an act of Congress, but he's got the votes, Republicans on both the House and the Senate side. But we'll still have taxes. It's just where can we cut? $1 billion USDT was transferred over to a Tether wallet. I don't know what that means. It's just a transfer. People get all upset about these Tether transfers and throw FUD out there like, oh, they're going to sell. It's like, it's Tether. It's like, it's worth $1. It's a stable. Right, cut the waste first. And he did it hard. I mean, the last 4 weeks, nonstop. Yeah, it does kind of have a cat look to it, doesn't it? It does kind of have a cat look. I'll wait till Elon goes and checks out the gold. Still have a Bitcoin strategic reserve. Can you mine with a Mac? You can. You're not going to get much, though. You can hook it up to unMineable. I have a link below if you want to check out unMineable. Doesn't cost anything. Hook your Mac up, see what happens. Doge will come trickling in. Half a Doge a day, maybe. Yeah, the thing with our electric in Massachusetts is we don't have a nuclear power plant here. We don't have any coal plants, right? So all of our electricity is pretty much coming from other states. And so we have to pay those transmission costs. That's why we're so expensive here. So it's the transmission costs. We are stuck in a rumor. Yeah, stuck is the other word of the day. I heard a priest praying for Dogecoin to go up. Oh, steal your neighbor's power. They'll never know. If you're mining Dogecoin on their power, they'll never know. If for some crazy reason the world goes crazy, someone sabotages the internet, all cryptos are gone. That is a lovely thought, Anthony. You know, I never thought of that. I absolutely never thought of that. The world's going to go crazy. Someone's going to sabotage the internet, and all cryptos are going to be gone. Wow. Wow. How do you live with yourself, dude? Really? How do you live with yourself? God. But I keep you around for entertainment. The move's tomorrow, sunshine. I'm tired. Got a little bit left to do tonight. Got most of it done. Most of what I have left to do here is here in the office. After the stream, I got to take everything down here. And then moving tomorrow. So no live stream on Wednesday. Hopefully we got Verizon Fios all hooked up in the new house on Thursday so I can go live Thursday. Tony did realize that he was the one that lost the money, although he still blames me. He still blames me. Like I hit the buy button for him at whatever price he bought at. I don't even know what it was. He says he lost everything. I don't know how you do that. Last I checked, Doge is still right around 25 cents. So how do you lose everything? If you bought Doge, no matter what the price is, even if you bought it at 48 cents, you didn't lose everything. You still have your Doge. Now, if he went and he chased those stupid pump.fun tokens, that's a different story. I didn't say to do that. And that's why Scarface 2 was never made. Exactly. Hey, Derek, you got your ledger. Awesome. Self-custody. You're going to love it. Peace of mind, security, ledger. Your crypto, your keys. Rumor, Dogecoin forming a cat pattern in the charts. And there it is. Now we are going to go to the moon because we have a cat pattern in the charts. There it is. It's a cat pattern. Back to the chart. Yeah, I did. Go up over 25 cents. We climbing. We're doing takeout pizza. Tacoa. Everything's packed. Everything's packed. We're just doing takeout pizza. Yeah, that's what you're here for. The entertainment. Awesome. Yeah. I hope Doge goes on a huge run. Anthony has to buy back at 69 cents. You were seeing the cat the other way? Oh, well, that's what I saw because the tail was going up. So that's why I drew it this way, because the tail. Buy fart coin. Buy the smelly fart coin. Exactly. What in the cat? Yeah, thank you. Got to have some fun. Exactly. What in the meow is going on? We were just talking about Pax cat, so I just drew a cat. So, learning new patterns every day. Exactly. This is the most bullish pattern there is. Couldn't do the morning video this morning, Suraj. I had to do the walkthrough of the house. And then I had to, get the funds, go to the closing, all of that. So too busy to make a video this morning. And there really wasn't much to talk about. There really wasn't. I mean, everybody else was talking about Libra, and we had covered Libra yesterday. Now it's all the fallout, which of course is called Solana to tank. But yeah, we're looking like a nice little comeback. Unlike what Anthony said, is Doge going to zero, but it doesn't look like it to me. I don't see a lot of red candles, so Anthony may not be correct. Just a guess. I'm just guessing. Thank you. Yes. A happy cat, the tail points up. Exactly. When I got home 15 minutes ago, my neighbor's cat was waiting for me on the porch. The cat with Doge mask. We are stuck in a cat pattern. No, Raiden, it's a rumor. It's a rumor that we're stuck in a cat pattern. You just ordered pizza? Yep, that's what we're doing. We're just chilling with some pizza, finishing the packing. I can't make pizza this time. I usually do. I know, Space Cowboy. You haven't heard me before. I make most of my pizzas. But everything's packed. Much meow. Exactly. I know, Space Cowboy. And much better, too. I do it all the time. Eventually, we're going to buy a new bed. But for now, it's just get moved in. It's just too much to go shopping for new beds right now. You bought 130,000 more Doge today. The one, nice, on the dip. Got in the 24s. Banksy packs. Hey, on TradingView, it stays here until I delete it. So I don't know what it looks on other time frames, though. Yeah, still kind of cattish on the 30-minute. 45-minute, yeah, still looking catty. But once we get zoomed out a little more, it's starting to get squished. Not so much of a cat on the 2-hour. How about the 5-minute? Oh, just the tail. Thank you, Alina. Appreciate it. I know, right? It's it's just the way it is. It's just the way it is. Put a watermark on it. Yeah. At KrissPax. There. There we go. You're here for the charts, not the crypto. We could just draw funny pictures on charts, right? Just keep drawing funny pictures on charts. I mean, that's all those TA guys do anyway, right? Tom Crown with all his fib lines. It's like, yeah. Ali in his golden pocket. Just draw a cat. Just draw a cat. That's all you need. Yeah, I took vacation this week, Ryan. I got Monday off for President's Day, and then I took 4 vacation days. Is what I did. 4 vacation days just to deal with all this. And then back to it on February 24th is KrissPax's birthday. February 24th, Monday, KrissPax's birthday. You think you're having a lot of fun with this live stream. Wait until next Mondays. Wait until next Mondays. KrissPax's birthday. That is going to be fun. Birthday cake at the new place. Yes. I like that, Greg. The critical analytics technical chart. CAT. You should trademark that. You should put a little TM in there. Put a little TM on that. Critical analytics technical. Up with the tail. Pax cat is good. Up. The tail will continue to grow longer as long as the chart still goes up. Who knew Dogecoin would prophesize the coming of the Doge cat constellation? There will be no launching of tokens. AR. No. And nothing on this channel is financial advice. No live stream tomorrow. You should have trademarked that, Anthony. Stuck. You should have trademarked that. You didn't. And now we can all use it. VP predicted a cat pattern on the daily. I should try the pizza Bible. All right, I will check that out. You just took a screenshot. Yeah, he's not looking so good on the 2-hour chart. Adventure Guy in Alaska says hi. Everybody say hi to Adventure Guy. Hey, Darren. Yep, the cat chart. It's looking good. I did not draw the Adam and Eve. No. The Adam and Eve. Oh, my God. Hey, Trader Allen did a great job with the Adam and Eve. Doesn't take much to do that next step. Ali flips, St. Clair. when he gets more clicks. He flips to get clicks. That's what he does. Oh yeah, the movers will have their lunch. They'll load up between like 9 and 12. They'll have their lunch, and then they'll unload from like 1 to 4, and they'll be done. That's it. Ballistic Atom. You know, I am predicting pumps coming up, but again, I can't predict the future, but I can look at the past, gauge the sentiment, look at the overall view of what's going on, and guess, yeah, pretty much Doge is going to pump again. I just don't know when. Could be later February, March, April. Last year it was February 28th. Last day of the month, and it pumped through March. Remember that? Went from 7 cents all the way up to 22 cents. We could see that again. Looks like a stuffed cat. Oh. Your birthday is this Thursday. Ah, but then you're not a Pisces. You miss it by a day. Yes. We're drinking on Thursday. How old will I be? 45? Yeah, right around there. Awesome. 45, sure. Maybe 42. I think 42. Reverse cat pattern on the weekly. Let it be a Greek cat. Yeah, chosen one. Your birthday is on Monday as well. Good day. Very good day. I'll be 42, sure. 42. Smash the likes, everybody. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Appreciate it. Thank you, RR. Appreciate it. Hey, tonight, once the last box is packed, then I got nothing else to do. I just supervise that. Put that there, put that here. Going to be fun with that ETF. There won't be a massive sell-off with the ETF. That there won't be. Mixed doubles. Thoughts on the bio. I don't know what that is, Tay. It's the sitting cat pattern. Exactly. Extremely bullish. Exactly. That's what it is. And the cats don't lie. Will I be buying next bear market? Of course I will. I'll stop buying probably near the end of the summer 2025. And then, maybe I'll take a year break. Maybe a year and a half. Will not be buying. Again, I still believe in the 4-year cycles, and I'm not going to get stuck. But that's just me. Still a great accumulation zone. Keep on stacking cats. No, cats and dogs. It's all good. We were just talking about Pax cat, so drew the cat. No, the cat is in the litter box on the fart coin chart, Adam. That's only on the fart coin chart. Yeah, peek on the 4-year chart. That is stuck to the sewer. Yep. Absolutely. New quantum AI market targets. Daydream is here with your purple check mark. Look at that. Purple check mark. That's better than the green, right? Moving up. You know what that means? You get more Dogecoin. Purple check marks get more Dogecoin than green check marks. If Ali does a cat chart, then I know he's stealing from me. Then I know. Adam's up to blue. Yeah, Daydream, I understand. NFL blocked Elon's Doge commercials. Were there really commercials made, or is that just a rumor, Frank? I'd be interested to know that. We need a source of that, Frank. Need a source. Tay, you know, I've thought about that too. It's like, wow, with peaks so low now, do you buy more? And it's just like, I'm already invested in it. And I just kind of think, I'll just buy Doge. I'll just buy Doge. You would think, though, if peak just even went back up to 34 cents, buying it like 14, 15 cents, that's a pretty good return. But I'm already invested in it. So the peak I have, it's at whatever it is at the price now. So, yeah, the architect can draw. We'll go through how many Doge in the members live stream next month. I'll go through how I've determined how many Doge people get. Well, Ali's cat, the tail will go all the way up to $10, or maybe he does the $18 one. That's a long ass tail. Yeah, Adam, we didn't do trivia. We just did random. We did a randomized giveaway. And the random thing worked pretty well. We tried it out. It worked. So yeah, future giveaways are going to be random. I had run out of trivia questions anyway, and I was just too busy to make up new ones. You bought 20K more, bought your average down. Siri's not a Karen. Well, Siri said, huh? Huh? Hold on. Gotta let someone, this is what we do, right? We message each other all the way to the other room. There we go. Just had to get things straight. You read it on Twitter. NFL apologized. Really? Wow. So there were actually commercials made. And the NFL apologized. I'm going to have to look for that. I'm tired of listening to the Bears, so I want Dogecoin to go up. Just for that. The commercials were going to expose government spending and show some examples, probably. Because there were a lot going on then. Yeah, I'm not going to do shirts because then you're mailing packages, you're getting addresses and things like that. I did that with the souvenir coin for Derek. I got his address, wrapped it up, went to the post office. Yeah, no. Dogecoin. Do you have to be a member for giveaways? On the stream giveaways, no. Anybody can take part in those. There's a members only giveaway, which is just the KrissPax DCA portfolio Dogecoin giveaway. That's a member only. Just bought 26,000 more Doges at 24.5. Pizza guy claims he knows you. Said his name was Mert. Oh, yeah, that's what she said. I know, Friday, Adam. We'll see. People have been talking about utility season, and it still doesn't happen. Good projects with good utility don't always mean great gains. It just doesn't. A lot of crypto is still about hype. I really thought that Doge would be more about utility this cycle. And I think it can still go up on just hype. Grok was just asked for an expanded answer. I don't know, Lucky, when it's going to be a bear market. I mean, you need to see like the major coins go down like 70%. And it's like, you gave up on the NFL. They didn't show Elon's commercials, just another reason not to support them. And that's what you can do. Exactly. Now you're getting hungry, Doge, at midnight. Yeah. I use a pizza stone also, Space Cowboy. It's the best thing to do. You get that crispy bottom, but you get the chewy dough. Oh, so good. These guys know. I've already told them all about how I make my pizza. We need an all eyes on Doge morale lift. Okay. All eyes on Doge. Big run up to the moon. Whew. Doge still going up. All eyes on Doge. Still big run up to the moon. Keep going up. Going up. All eyes on Doge. Dogecoin. Upward movement in Doge. Dogecoin. Up. All eyes on Doge. Dogecoin. Upward movement in Doge. There we go. Let's go. Let's go. A pizza stone and a smoker. Wow. I'm just doing the oven. It's pretty good. It's good. Doge has survived on its own. Only 7% of the world is invested in crypto. We're so early. We are so early. We will all be dancing to that song at the $1 Dogecoin party in Boston. We just need Doge to get there. So we can just do a 4X from here. Then we can all dance together. But I need Callie to do the extended version because that's too short. Yeah. Well, if the red candles start going down, that just means he's pooping. That's just him pooping. Don't jinx the drawing. Don't jinx the drawing. All right, gang. I got stuff to do. Busy night, busy day tomorrow. I hope everyone's doing well. I'll hope to see you on Thursday. I'll probably just make a community note in YouTube on how things look around noon on Thursday. And hopefully I'm live. Hopefully Doge is back up over this 25.5-cent line here, right at the cat's ear. See where the cat's ear is right there? That's resistance, guys, right there. The cat's ear is resistance. We need the tail to go above the ear. And then we're good. Hope everyone has a great evening. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Dogecoin, which started as a complete joke, has like skyrocketed to not a joke anymore. It hit an all-time high of almost 10 cents yesterday, but it was so minuscule you wouldn't have understood why you have millions of shares.
Didn't Elon tweet that too?
And arguably, the most entertaining outcome and the most ironic outcome would be that Dogecoin becomes the currency of Earth in the future.